Welcome back to DTIT. My name is Dave. DTIT is a place where someone can stop in for some basic IT help for common IT issues. Here at DTIT, I take you step by step through the problems using screenshots to see exactly what you need to do. I chose this format to help the new user or someone new to IT. If you find this kind of clip helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I have many more videos to come. Okay, so let's deal with today's issue, processes and how to list and end these processes using PowerShell. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into PowerShell. So the first thing you need to do is look for your Windows button. I'm using Windows 11. So as you see right down there next to the search area, there's the Windows button. You're going to click the Start. Once you've hit Start, you're going to select Windows PowerShell and you're going to right-click on that. Once you've right-clicked on PowerShell, you're going to select Run as Administrator because we need to make these changes. And the only way to do that is to have the highest level of clearance. Once you've got into PowerShell as an administrator, this is what you should be seeing. You're inside your PC, your C drive, or whatever your home drive is. It should be users and then your username for your machine. So this is the starting point that we're going to have. The next thing we're going to be dealing with is to listing the process. Okay, so what we're going to use in PowerShell is the command get process. Get with a hyphen or dash process is what we're going to be entering, and then hit enter. Once you've hit enter, you'll see the list of all the processes that are running or whether they're up or down. So what we're going to do for this example is we're going to look for a notepad and we're going to kill that process using task kill. All right, so we've selected our process here, Notepad, for this example, and the PID number that we're going to be using, 1288, that's information we're going to be using to end that process using task kill. So enter the command task kill, all one word, space / PID, PID, space 1288, that's the PID number for Notepad, and then hit enter. Once you've hit enter, you should have the success notification that has sent the termination signal to the process and the PID 1288, and it should show as being canceled. You can go back and relist again by using get process, and you can scroll and see that the notepad is disabled. Thank you again for stopping by DTIT. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, if you have, I would ask that you hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I greatly appreciate it. I have many more of these videos to come to help the new user or someone new to IT.